The growing industries in Sri Lanka, with COVID, we have had a big change coming in. Before COVID, of course, tourism, manufacturing, ICT sector, construction, these were the growing industries. With COVID, there has been a huge impact, especially on tourism. But the IT sector is continuously growing. Everything has moved into the digital landscape. So IT industry has a whole lot of potential. And also there are other emerging from the services area that we see as growing sectors in Sri Lanka. In the global landscape, the change comes from green economy. You have jobs coming up in these areas. IT sector still rules in the global arena. And of course, you can look into specific countries and see if there are emerging economies in these areas too.